first thing I thought of when I heard about an electric chainsaw was a lack of power. I think the hesitation came from just always having my hands on a gas-powered chainsaw, knowing that it can get the job done. With the GreenWorks Pro chainsaw, it definitely has the torque, it has the power to cut down a tree, it has the power to cut up logs. You can make any cut you need to make with this chainsaw. My favorite thing about the GreenWorks chainsaw is the ability to start it with one button. Whereas with a gas engine, you might not get it started on the first pull. You might have to pull it 4 or 5 times. With zero emissions, you're taking care of the environment, keeping the emissions away from the trees, keeping all the bad things out of the air. You don't have to worry about the exhaust constantly running up in your face and making you feel a little lightheaded from time to time after you've been using it for so long. With the GreenWorks chainsaw, I've been able to cut down several trees in the sections that are movable with one battery. I didn't notice any decrease in the power. It was very consistent the whole way through. You can set this thing down in your shed and not have to worry about it gumming up the carburetor with the bad fuel that sits in there. As long as you've got a fresh battery to put in, it's gonna work for you just like it did the first time you used it.
The Ego 56-volt Power Plus chainsaw is a powerhouse, delivering up to 100 hassle-free cuts per charge. It's equipped with a 14-inch bar and chain, giving you the ability to cut more than 1 foot thick wood. 56 volts of lithium-ion power and a brushless motor give this chainsaw all the power you need to fell, limb, and chop up trees. Tension the chain and oil the blade with ease. For added safety, a chain brake shuts off the saw immediately. Effortlessly switch the battery between any of the Ego Power Plus tools so you never have to stop what you are doing. Now you can make firewood and not just a bunch of noise. A chainsaw that is ready whenever you need it. All bite without the bark. Part of the Ego Power Plus system. Power beyond belief.